Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ## Java Thread Performance Tuning Tutorial. Java's threading capabilities allow for concurrent programming, which can significantly enhance the performance of applications. However, to fully leverage this potential, it's crucial to understand how to optimize thread performance. This tutorial will cover various strategies for tuning Java threads, along with illustrative code examples. ### Key concepts. 1. Thread creation. Creating threads can be resource intensive. Use thread pools to manage threads more efficiently. 2. Synchronization. Minimizing synchronization can reduce contention and improve performance. 3. Thread lifecycle. Understanding the life cycle of threads can help in managing them effectively. 4. Thread priority. Adjusting thread priorities can sometimes help in optimizing performance, though it's not always reliable. 5. Monitoring and profiling. Use tools to monitor thread performance and identify bottlenecks. ### 1. Use thread pools. Instead of creating a new thread for every task, use a thread pool. This reduces overhead associated with thread creation and destruction. ### Example, using executor service. ### 2. Minimize synchronization. Excessive synchronization can lead to performance bottlenecks. Only synchronize when necessary. ### Example, using reentrant lock with condition variables. ### 3. Thread lifecycle management. Understanding and managing the life cycle of threads can help in optimizing their performance. ### Example, using thread.join. ### 4. Thread priority. While not recommended as a primary strategy, adjusting thread priorities can sometimes help in specific scenarios. ### Example, setting thread priority. ### 5. Monitoring and profiling. Use Java profiling tools like Visual VM, JConsole, or Java Mission Control to monitor thread performance and identify bottlenecks. ### Summary. Optimizing thread performance in Java involves using thread pools for efficient management, minimizing synchronization to reduce contention, understanding the thread lifecycle, adjusting priorities judiciously, and monitoring performance using profiling tools. By following these best practices, you can significantly enhance the performance of your concurrent applications. ### Further reading. Java Concurrency in Practice by Brian Getz. The Java Tutorials, Concurrency. Java Documentation on Executors and Thread Management. This tutorial provides a foundation for thread performance tuning in Java. Experiment with the provided code examples to see how different strategies affect performance in your applications.